So at this point, if I want to go ahead now and send this to G, let's see how this is done. So what I'm going to do is two ways I can do it. Number one, I can come from my actual video right here. I can click the copy link and we go over to LinkedIn and copy that in. If I had recorded this maybe a couple of days ago and I wasn't sure which one I wanted to send, then I'd come to my library and I can just grab the copy link right from here. So that's really nice. I can just come through. I don't even have to go back into the video. I can just grab the link from here or inside. It's the same link. It doesn't matter. So let's go ahead. Let me just hop over to LinkedIn. Okay, so we're over at LinkedIn. So I'm going to go ahead and click on, let's go to G's profile so I make sure I've got the right person, which of course I do because I message G all the time. So if I want to send her a message, I'm just going to go ahead and click where it says message, and the little message box comes up, and there we go. We can go ahead and send this message to her now. So what I recommend is, it's always nice to send type a couple of words first and then paste in your link, because otherwise they might not really understand what you're writing about. So I'm just going to send her a little hello. Hi G. So there we go. I've got my little message now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in that Zoom link. So I'm just going to do a Control V or whatever, just however you paste in your link, Windows or Mac. And at this point, I would hit send. And it'll take a couple seconds, and that's it. There we go. And see, it brings in that animated clip for us so that G knows it's me. It's got the title of my video. And when G goes to watch it, she just clicks on this and it will come into the Loom player. And she doesn't have to have Loom in order to see this. So actually, let me log out of Loom just so that you can see how G will see it. So if I click on this, it just opens up in my Loom player, and then see, you don't even have to have anything. She can actually see the whole transcript. So she'll hit play. This is Jillian. And isn't that nice? The closed captions come straight in, and you have that. If she wanted, she could click here and view the whole transcript and see the whole transcript as well. So whatever way that she would like to see this, she can do that, and she can respond by typing in a comment, recording a comment back to me, or just going ahead and clicking on a little emoji and saying, you know, she liked it, or thumbs up, or, you know, whatever she wants to do. So it's kind of fun to see the little emoji. So that's it. Pretty straightforward with how you would send a message to somebody on the desktop using Loom. So I hope that you enjoyed this. And to me, it's a really easy peasy thing. And the nice thing is, if I decided, you know what, I don't want to send this message to G, I can actually come in here and I can delete the message. So I'm going to delete it, and it's gone. So you can't do that on mobile. So it's kind of cool you can do that because you're just pasting in a link. So anyways, just wanted you to see all that, and I hope that you enjoyed learning how to send video messages on your desktop using Loom.